Today on Southern Accent Foods, it's my version of the most delicious Charleston Red Rice. This recipe is valuable because not only is it a great side dish anytime, it's also football food. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 180 degrees Celsius. Get some canola oil into your sauté pan and add in some sliced or diced smoked sausage. Andouille for me, but you can use any good quality sausage. Brown it up 4 or 5 minutes and set aside. In the same pan, add in some diced celery, onion, and bell pepper. Optional hot pepper if you like. I almost always add a Fresno. Season with salt, pepper, and optional Cajun or Creole seasoning. Cook until softened, about 5 to 6 minutes. Add in some sliced or minced garlic and cook for 1 more minute. Add in 1 cup of long grain white rice and stir for 1 minute to coat with the fat in the pan. Get the smoked sausage back in the pan and add a mixture of half pureed canned tomatoes and half chicken stock or vegetable broth, and a splash of Worcestershire sauce. Bring the heat up to a simmer and cook for 5 minutes. While you wait, click that like button for me. It helps YouTube let more people know about my videos. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to throw in a couple bay leaves. Get a lid on this thing and toss it into your oven like the Gamecocks throw interceptions. After 45 minutes, set aside to rest for 30 more minutes. No peeking, it'll be worth the wait. After 30 minutes, remove the bay leaves. Fluff everything up with a fork and get ready for one of the best southern dishes ever. We're ready to eat. Get the biggest bowl you got. Garnish with some sliced green onions. And don't forget the hot sauce. You know I'm going to be using Texas Pete, but use whatever you like. For the full recipe, visit my website, southernaccentfoods.com. I'll link to the recipe in the description. For another great side dish, watch this video right here.